Hi everyone! It's 2:15 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 8:15 ng gabi. So ngayon guys, nagluto na naman ako ulit ng ampalaya with egg. Kasi nung pumunta ako sa Asia shop, nakita ko na naman si ampalaya guys. So ayan guys. And of course guys, meron ding daing na bangus. So ayan guys, bumuli rin ako ng daing na bangus. At ito guys, ang sarap niya guys. At syempre guys, may pinakurat na suka tayo guys. And of course guys, ito yung ulam natin is masarap. Na masarap ito guys para sa amin dito guys. Super sarap na talaga to guys. And of course guys, rice is life. At syempre may pa-flour na naman si Papang a la Virgin. So eto guys, kain tayo guys ng ampalaya, Vienna, ginisang ampalaya with fish. So,